Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your Chiku. Today we are in a cool beach.
Come.
And we are in a look at the sand. Look at that ocean. It's like we are
Ooh, let's go.
That's a explosion. I just saw an explosion. Okay guys, look at the wave of the ocean. Oh my god. That's so crazy. It just wet everyone's pant and mine. And it's so... Mama's here. What is she doing? And that sand is not like sand. It's just like shells, onions, things. It's not like sand, but the ocean is so pretty and crazy at the same time. Oh God. Invite me. I'm here. Look at me, Raj Bhaiya and Mama here. Oh, so crazy. Hey. I enjoyed this beach. This is the best day ever. It was so good meeting the beach and the hotels. The ocean was so crazy. The sand was so fun to play with.
यार क्या शुभ यार
And the ocean wave is cool.
अकेले नहीं किसी की
I played it too much.
उधर देखिए बाबा जी उधर एंड चीकू ने बहुत एंजॉय किया राइट चीकू
Yes.
वेव्स देखो ओ माय गॉड मम्मी आना
everyone is scared, right? Because the policeman said that you can't enter inside the ocean, right?
It's not even a...
भाभी जाओ ना
Yeah,
भाभी
it's
जाओ
too dangerous. It's too dangerous, guys.
हाँ एना रो
It's
बहुत
too
निकाल
dangerous.
Yeah.
We enjoyed a
जाओ
lot.
ना
A
जाना
lot.
जाना कथु नहीं है तो
Now we are black men and women.
Mommy is
So
even
we
more
are blacky people.
हाँ
because we took shower in the ocean and Mama is blacker.
No,
फोटो
you
भी
are
खींच
blacker,
वीडियो भी
not
बन रहा है
me.
No, you are
फोटो
blacker.
No, you are blacker.
No, you are blacker. And we found shells in the
What they are
ocean.
doing? Mom, Nani,
And we found
Nani, they are just making a video.
and we found shells in the ocean when we were swimming.
Yes.
Mommy found a big one.